Want some corn tonight? Huh? You want some corn? Who wants some corn? You want some corn? Yeah. Where you going, Mama? Here, little one. Come on, little one. Get in here and get your corn. Come on. Where you going? Huh? Where you going? Get in here and get your corn. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get in here. Get in here if you want some corn. Where you going? Huh? Where you going? Get in here. Get in here. Corn. That's that. No more tonight. Without it, yeah. You can't come in and get it. Come on. Get in here and get your corn.
They're coming.
Come on. Yeah, come on, little one. Come on. I put it there for you. Come and get it. Come on. Come get your corn.
And they found it.
Come on, little mama. Come on, you get in here too. There's enough
Yeah, one of them standing off there to the side there watching everything, but
There's plenty of corn there for you.
where do you buy your corn?
Where's your little one tonight? Where's your little one, Mama? Huh? Where's that little guy tonight? There's one that's real small. I don't know where she is tonight. Not with them.
Yeah, we got one. Like I said, I got one in the backyard that's not afraid of me at all.
Yeah.
Get about as close as you do.
I don't know why she didn't come in. Usually they all come in. Well, must be she's not hungry. She probably
Well, maybe it's me.
ate alfalfa at Tom and Loy's.
Maybe it's me.
You know.